Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Jack of all trades be like. A jack of all trades is someone who enjoys learning lots of different skills and isn't afraid to try something new. They may not know everything, but they're always ready to help, adapt, and keep learning. 1. Need a helper. I'm available. Reason, they're always willing to lend a hand. 2. Today, I'm the chef. Reason, cooking is another fun skill to learn. 3. Tomorrow, I'll fix squeaky door. Reason, they enjoy solving everyday problems. 4. Camera says cheese. Reason, photography is another hobby to explore. 5. Gardening this morning, painting this afternoon. Reason, they love trying different activities. 6. I watch a tutorial. Let's give it a try. Reason, learning often starts with curiosity. 7. Toolbox check, confidence check. Reason, being prepared makes job easier. 8. I may not know everything, but I'll learn. Reason, a growth mindset is a great strength. 9. Who needs instructions? Okay, maybe I do. Reason, reading directions can save time. 10. New challenges accepted. Reason, every challenge is a chance to improve. 11. I wear many hats. Reason, they enjoy taking on different roles. 12. Let's figure it out together. Reason, teamwork makes learning more fun. 13. Oops, now I'm an expert at no doing that again. Reason, mistakes become valuable lessons. 14. Every day is a learning day. Reason, knowledge grows little by little. 15. Can I try that too? Reason, curiosity keeps life exciting. 16. Practice first, perfection later. Reason, skills improve with time. 17. Busy, yes. Bored, never. Reason, having many interests keeps life interesting. 18. One hobby somehow may become 5. Reason, new interests are easy to discover. 19. I bought snacks and solutions. Reason, good ideas are even trying with snacks better. 20. Let's make it work. Reason, creative thinking solves many problems. 21. Every skills has its moment. Reason, you never know when it will come in handy. 22. Learning, my favorite adventure. Reason, new experiences help you grow. 23. Small is still progress. Reason, every step counts. 24. I'll give you my best shot. Reason, trying is better than never starting. 25. The internet taught me now. Let's practice. Reason, knowledge grows through experience. 26. If plan A doesn't work, hello plan B. Reason, flexibility helps overcome challenges. 27. I collect skills like souvenirs. Reason, every new skills is a valuable memory. 28. There's always room to improve. Reason, learning never truly ends. 29. Professional problem solver. Reason, knowing a little about many things can be very useful. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.